Hey everybody, it's me Henry. Hey, you know how I saw the other video of our Quakings? So luckily, and yesterday I wanted to show you how to do this Pac-Man we're going to sell, but this time we're going to do a different Pac-Man. This one's going to have blue stripes. So I'm going to show you how to make him. So anyway, let's begin. First, you have some yellow, and you make a ball. It's neat, which is the easy part. Next up, you need to take a little bit of yellow again, so you can make his nose like this big. Okay, and then you place it on him. This one's from Smash, so yeah, you can Smash person. Okay, next up we're making his arms. And next, take some blue. Make sure you close the back so the air doesn't dry. I'm making his arm straps blue. I have to make. Okay, now we're gonna make his first hand. I'm using orange to make your hand. Also, in the Smash game, he has orange hands, so I need orange hands. First, you have to make an oval, which is pretty easy. And then place it on his hand. And then make the second hand. Okay, next up I'm going to use some orange. Again, I'm going to make another oval. And now we're going to make his eyes, which is pie eyes. I don't know why there's pie eyes, but hey, it can't be that bad. I wish we get pie eyes. So let's go. Using a small piece of black and making it. Okay, now I'm going to make his mouth. And take a small piece of black and roll together. And then, voila, his mouth. Okay, now I'm going to make his shoes, which means you need pink. So we're making my shoes with rubber together in the ball. I need 2 balls with our ovals. And now I'm going to make his legs again. I'm going to make his legs. What about part of the legs? They look good. So I need another piece of blue, everybody. And doing this. Hold up everybody, I'm not done yet. I'm making the base for him. And voila, a Pac-Man figure. Now we need 2 Pac-Mans. So let me know in the comments if you like this video, hit that like bell and subscribe. Oh, and I'm not done yet. I'll be right back, guys. We're going to sell clay boxes. You can follow us on Instagram or Facebook. We're going to sell these clay collations. So make sure to hit that like bell. Bye, everybody. Go visit my website, thequeenkings.com. That's why I go on the back.